song page. Three. That is now practice. I will have a tutorial for the cup singing later on. I got my ticket for the long way round to buy a whiskey for the way, and I'm sure would like some honey, and I'm leaving tomorrow when I say when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You gonna miss me when I'm gone. You gonna miss me by my hair, gonna miss me everywhere, gonna miss me when I'm gone. Got my ticket for the long way round. The one with the purple girl is a down mountain girl. Just like to give you, but it's when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Thank you. Please watch my tutorial. Please watch to my cup song 1, cup song 2.